Magic Minerals by Jerome Alexander. This stuff has been advertised like crazy. Decided to get it. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel. Basically things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, I'm constantly tuning into things on social media, and this I've noticed been promoted a lot on Instagram, I think on TikTok. This is the Magic Minerals Liquid Silk Air Primer and Magic Minerals Airbrush Foundation by Jerome Alexander. So I decided I would give it a try. The color I got in this is called light medium. I think it didn't come in a lot of colors. There was no neutral, cool, warm, anything like that. But anyway, this is light medium. It does seem to blend in well with my skin. But overall, what do I think about this and how does it work? Stay tuned. Well, I'm going to start off by spraying Magic Minerals Liquid Silk Air Primer by Jerome Alexander onto the Jerome Alexander brush. And here it's sort of an aerosol spray. Put it on the brush. And then just basically apply the primer. I'm going to take one more touch. And then just sort of let it dry for a moment. So now I take the foundation. This is the Magic Minerals Airbrush Foundation by Jerome Alexander Ultra Fine Mineral Powder Spray on Makeup. And by the way, to break the seal to this, I actually had to use a knife. It wouldn't happen just by pressing. And spray. Okay. The main thing, I feel a lot of it gets into the air. And just apply this all over my face. And it does come out with like a very skin-like texture. I think it does a pretty good job of evening my skin tone. It really does give sort of a no makeup look. This is the third day I've worn this. I found it held up pretty well during the day. There was no streaking or settling into lines or anything like that, but it does have a very natural skin-like finish. It's not for when you want to look made up. It's basically when you're going for a more natural look. So I've done the rest of my makeup, and this is the complete look for today. I used my new Hourglass palette on my cheeks, which I will do a video on soon. And I used the Danessa Myricks palette on my eyes and a Lisa Rinna lip kit on my lips. So this is today's look. Overall, this Liquid Silk Jerome Alexander, the Air Primer and the foundation, overall, I do think they're good products. I feel like they're doing good on my skin. They make it look very, very natural, but they do seem to minimize flaws. It's not full coverage. I think if you really have a lot of redness, a lot of blemishes or dark spots or something you really need to conceal, you would need another concealer at least with this. But I do feel like it's feels good on my skin. What I wonder with this type of aerosol spray, how much of it is getting wasted every time you spray it out. I do like this brush a lot though. I think I probably will be using this brush with other makeup as well. So overall, I'm glad I tried it. I don't think it's going to be my very favorites, but it is going to be something that I use from time to time. Well, that's the video for today. If you liked it, give me the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.